Hey guys, hi, what's up? My name is Rukma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Rukma's Life. In today's video, I'm back with another product empties video. I think I did the last product empties on my channel in the month of June or something. So it's been 3 months after that, and I've collected so many empties just for you guys, for giving you speed reviews, whether I'm going to be buying them or not. Again, I always tell you people that I love watching product empties videos and I love making them for you all as well. So in case you guys are new on my channel, please consider subscribing. Click on the red subscribe button, click on the bell notification icon right next to it. I've also started a Bengali channel after so many years. If you guys are interested, you're Bengali, you follow Bengali, click on that as well. I'll mention the link down below. And without any further ado, let's get started. By the way guys, I haven't applied any makeup today and I'm literally in my pajamas. I had no plans of shooting this video today, but then I was like, theek hai, kal work from home day hai, so I can shoot it. It's probably 12:30 a.m. in the night, and this is how I manage my YouTube along with my job, you guys. So please मेरे efforts के लिए तो थोड़ा सा like and subscribe कर देना and comment भी कर देना if you want to. And yeah, so like I said, no makeup on my face. I just have this radiance cream from Lakme on my face, and you can see my dark circles because कुछ भी नहीं है, BB cream, foundation, nothing at all. So these will be popping out in the video, but I wanted to keep it very raw and real, so I hope you like it that way. Anyway, having said all of that, let me first show you how many empties I have in the basket. So this is the basket and these are the empties. It's literally a full basket. So yeah, I have really dragged this into a lot right now. Let's just start. If you ask me what I'm conscious about in my whole body, I'll probably tell you my dark circles. Yeah, anyway. Why am I digressing again and again? Okay, so I'm not going to go in any particular order, you guys. I primarily see a lot of hair care and skincare in this basket, and I'm gonna go very randomly. Okay, सबसे पहले I'm gonna talk about the Hyaluron Pure 72 hours purifying shampoo from L'Oreal Paris. Now this was so much in trend, you guys. This matches with the background. I know. Again, digressing. Okay, so this one was so much in trend, really hyped and viral. Now, did I enjoy this shampoo? Yes, I did, but I also have a problem with this. इसका जो basic claim to fame है ना, is that this particular shampoo is made for oily roots and dehydrated lens, right? Now, I always felt like the moment I used to shampoo my hair with this, on the day of the wash, my scalp used to feel very dry, like extremely dry. And then on the second or third day, back to very oily. So I felt like this made my hair very extremist in nature, like very dry, very oily. I know I had given the first impressions, but that is why these kind of videos are more meaningful, because I've emptied the whole bottle and then I'm coming up here and talking to you guys. So I will obviously have a better review to give you because I've used the product for days and then giving you the review, right? So this is a good shampoo, but I somehow felt that it dries out my hair way too much, and then again वापस वही 2-3 दिन में वापस वॉश करना पड़ता है. So it's not like इससे वॉश करने के बाद बहुत दिनों तक मुझे हेयर वॉश नहीं करना पड़ता था. So really couldn't understand what this shampoo's hype is all about, so I am definitely not repurchasing. Next, I'll talk to you guys about a fragrance. This is Into the Night from Bath and Body Works, one of their most popular fragrances, I would like to say. Now, like the name suggests, it's definitely a evening fragrance, a very strong fragrance. Will I repurchase this? I don't think so, because see, it is a very strong fragrance. It is very long lasting, but initially तो मुझे ये अच्छा ही नहीं लगता था. It literally used to give me a headache for the first few attempts, and then उसके बाद से I have quite enjoyed this, but I will not be repurchasing this. I'll tell you why. Because I am not fond of the notes that this particular mist has. I will of course pop up the notes here. I am more fond of like floral, fruity, vanilla kind of notes. तो इसके notes अच्छे हैं, but not really my type personally, so I will not be repurchasing this. We'll quickly move on to some body care, you guys. I have the Glow Recharge body wash with 3% brightening serum and vitamin C from Dove. Again, another viral beauty product. Like everybody was literally raving about this. Now, this is something that I will definitely repurchase. I really liked enjoying this. This one is like a mild scrub, has a fantastic fragrance, and you get quite a good amount in this, so this will last you a while oil as well. Of course, it's a little on the expensive side. This one is for rupees 560 for a 300 ml bottle, but definitely worth your money if you would like to go in for light exfoliation, get out of the shower all fresh and with a nice fragrance. This one is definitely a must try. And I have another body care with me right here. This is something that I emptied just yesterday. This one is a 1000 Wishes body wash from Bath and Body Works. Again, I've emptied the last drop of this, you guys. Now this one I enjoyed very much. It has a very like mild fragrance, but it gives you that luxurious bathing wala vibe which I really go for. So ये मैंने सेल पे लिया था. इसका MRP is 2000 rupees, but I got it for 800 on Nykaa if I'm not wrong. So these body mists and body washes of Bath and Body Works keep running these sales, you know, so you can definitely try purchasing these body washes and body mists during these sales. But yes, it's a very mild fragrance. Whether I will immediately repurchase, no, but in the future I don't mind going in for this again, because overall it's a very nice soothing fragrance. I just adjusted the camera a little bit. I feel like it was just too much on my face. Anyway, moving on, you guys. The next skincare product I have is the body butter from the Body Shop. This one is in the British Rose variant. Now this one I got as part of a set during my birthday if I'm not wrong. Now this one is a very good body butter for sure. It's very moisturizing, has very nice subtle rose fragrance. I have only one problem with this, which is that you have to use this up very quickly. So let's say you get it in the month of September, try and finish it off in the month of September. If you just keep this lying around in your room, यहाँ वहाँ पड़ा हुआ है, आपने महीनों से इसको हाथ नहीं लगाया, फिर इसको यूज करने आओगे ना, then what happens is the moisturizer product and the oil product of it separates out, and then it becomes a little icky to apply it. That's just my personal experience, you guys. So in case you guys go in for the body care range from Body Shop, you can definitely go in for it. It's very good, but try to use it ASAP. I'm immediately not repurchasing this because I really like the body lotions from Plum and Nivea, so I'm immediately not going in for it, but it was a good decent product. Okay, time for some more hair care now. I have with me the Plum Coconut and Peptide Strength and Shine Hair Mask. This is the one. Now, I had many years back used the olive hair mask from Plum, the green one, right? Now that one was so good. I thought that maybe Plum really makes good hair masks, so I thought of experimenting with this one. But this one was a disappointment. It is nowhere close to the olive one. If you want to try a hair mask from Plum, I think you should definitely go in for the green one, which is the olive one. The coconut and peptides one, it's a very nice fragrance. Of course, it smells of coconut, but what am I going to do with the fragrance if it does not repair my hair, if it does not bring any calmness to my frizzy hair, right? So I couldn't really make any good use of it. I felt like this one was a waste, and yeah, I will definitely not repurchase this hair mask soon. Okay, next up I will talk to you guys about another fragrance. I have with me the Smokin' Vanilla EDP from Plum. I don't know how many bottles of this I've emptied. This probably is my 7th or 8th bottle. I just keep going back to this whenever I am bored of my fragrances. If I want to go back to my comfort zone, or if I want to go back to something that I've tried and tested and loved over and over again, it has to be this particular EDP from Plum, which is the Smokin' Vanilla. I also love the Vanilla Caramello variant, but personally I love this a little bit more than that one. This has such a smoky twist to the vanilla. Being a vanilla fragrance lover, with the smoking twist coming in, it just becomes the best fragrance for me, and this can be my signature fragrance for years. I love this so much, so definitely a repurchase. Next, I will talk about the Ceramide and Hyaluronic Skin Barrier Repair Plus Face Cream from Dot & Key. You can see the condition of the packaging. I've used it so much. Now this one is such a good face cream, you guys. It is very lightweighted, yet very intensely moisturizing. Also very affordable. Dot & Key, I feel like, kills with their skincare products. Definitely a repurchase. I am currently using the face moisturizer from Bioderma, which I think comes in a humongous quantity, so I don't know when I'm gonna finish that up, but once I do, I'm gonna go back to this most definitely. I have a face wash from Dot & Key. This is their Cica Calming Blemish Clearing Gel face wash. This actually is my 3rd or 4th bottle. Again, both me and Vivek, we love this. This one is a gel based face wash. So good for acne prone skin, oily skin. It makes your skin like squeaky clean, and it really helps with sensitive acne prone skin. I don't have oily skin, but my skin has recently become pretty sensitive and acne prone, so it really helps me. Vivek has oily skin, helps him as well. So if you guys have skin type like these, you can definitely try this one out. This one comes with good ingredients and is very helpful in case of acne and oily prone skin, and like I said, very reasonable as well. So if you guys haven't tried this out yet, you are missing out on something really great for your skin. Another hair care product, you guys, I have the argan oil and lavender hair mask from Love Beauty in Planet. This is a product which has definitely featured twice in my product empties videos previously, and I think that just gives it away. That just gives away the amount of love that I have for this particular hair mask. It makes my hair so soft, so manageable, and you guys will not believe it, I plan to order it yet again. I am currently using the hair mask from Bare Anatomy, and I will definitely go back to this very soon. One of my absolute favorites, and I love the fragrance of lavender. So this has argan oil and lavender, so I enjoy the fragrance. I enjoy the way it makes my hair feel like after a hair wash. So I completely love this hair mask, and I will definitely go back to it very soon. Okay, next up I have another fragrance product. I have with me the Valley of Flowers EDP from Foxtail. Now, when this product was launched by Foxtail, I feel like a lot of people were talking about it. So this also happened to be a viral product at that point of time, and when I had purchased this, trust me, for the first month I was obsessed. I was completely obsessed with this one. This one actually is a very intensely floral fragrance, just like the name suggests. The name itself is the Valley of Flowers, so I was prepared for that, and I enjoy floral fragrances. But I'll tell you what happened after the first month of obsession came to an end. Then I got bored of it. That is something which never happens with smoking vanilla. I never get bored of this fragrance, you know. I'm always happy to spritz this on me. I'm happy to spritz this on me when I'm at home, when I'm going to work, when I'm going to a mall. But with Valley of Flowers, initially I was, like I said, very happy about it. I enjoyed it, but then I got bored of it. So it's not going to be repurchased by me for sure, but it's not a bad fragrance. If you guys thoroughly enjoy floral fragrances, it definitely deserves one chance from you, but I'm not going to repurchase anytime soon. Okay guys, we are reaching the end of this video. I just have 3-4 products left. I want to talk to you guys about a sunscreen as well. This one is from Aqualogica. This one is their glow infused water sunscreen, which comes with papaya and vitamin C and has SPF 50 PA triple plus. Yeah, so this particular sunscreen from Aqualogica, you guys, I don't even know if they make it anymore. I am not very sure if they have discontinued it. Whether I will repurchase it or not entirely depends on whether they still produce it or not. But jokes apart, this one was a pretty good sunscreen, you guys. So cute, easily portable. Travel के लिए तो best था यार ये. मैंने इसको अपने बहुत सारे travels पे carry किया है, and it is a very fluid like sunscreen, so it just feels like water. So for me personally, I used to use it on my hands and my legs more than on my face, because for my face I enjoy cream like sunscreens more rather than fluid like sunscreens. So yes, I will repurchase this, but even if I don't get it, like even if they don't manufacture it anymore, I have a lot of other alternatives which I can try in the market available, right? There are good ones from Beauty of Joseon. There is a good one from Sunscoop. So those options are there for body sunscreen. Yeah, I mean, it was a good one while I used it. I use a lot of kohl pencil. I use kohl pencil for my eyeliner, like my upper eyelid. For my lower eyelid also, I just do the corners and that's it. But I've emptied 2 pencils. One is from Faces Canada, one is from K Beauty. Both of these are very good. The one from Faces Canada just doesn't smudge and is very affordable. I spoke about it with you guys recently as well. The one from K Beauty also, this one must be my 3rd or 4th repurchase. A very good kajal. Little on the pricier side, little, but this does smudge a little bit. But the pigmentation of the K Beauty kajal is better than the Faces Canada one. So if you guys want to go for pigmentation, go for the K Beauty one. If you guys want to go for a smudge free kajal, go for the one from Faces Canada. Both are good, but yes, there's just a little bit of price difference out there. I've also used up this razor. This one is from Sirona. I use this for sometimes shaving my hands, my legs, my underarms, and it does such a fab job, you guys. It's so good. It looks like the one from Gillette though, but it's from Sirona, and this one was very inexpensive and a very very good product. Never any cuts or anything, so it was a very very nice product. I will definitely repurchase this in the future. Very very good one. The next one is the Lumi Lit Cream 95 range from Lakme. I don't know how many times I've spoken to you guys about this product. I already have one in my vanity. I have ordered one from Nykaa. Best primer that I've used. It also gives you like a highlighting, like a illuminated dewy kind of a finish. Very very high performing product from Lakme. I absolutely love this. Has to be the best primer I've ever used. And guys, I have dry skin, so for dry skin people, if you're looking for something to apply beneath your BB cream or your foundation, just go in for the Lumi Lit Cream from Lakme. You can wear it as well because it does work as a moisturizer, but I personally always prefer to use this as a primer. Next, from the same 9 to 5 Skin Stylist Collection range from Lakme, I have their BB cream. The best BB cream under the sun, period. I don't need to say anything more. This is the best thing ever, you guys. If you guys like light base like me, if you guys don't gravitate towards foundations like me, then just pick this one up. I don't need to describe this anymore. Just go in for the Lakme CC cream. You will not regret it one bit, you guys. And yeah, the last product for this video, for this empties video, is going to be this particular face mask from Plum. This is their green tea clear face mask. This one is not a recent launch, you guys. I've been using this product since 2020 or something. It's a very good mask. I will definitely sometime repurchase this, but there are better face masks which I've used for my dry skin. If you have oily skin, you're gonna love this one because this like intensely dries up and then you have to wash it out, and it gives you a very smooth bright finishing, no doubt about that. But because I have dry skin, I like masks like Innisfree Volcanic Mask more, if you know what I mean. I like masks which will not dry up and feel all flaky and crack up my skin. But if you have oily skin, you're gonna love the green tea face mask from Plum. So that's all for this video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also comment. I will see you very very soon in my next video. Also let me know what kind of videos you would like to watch on my channel in the comments box below. Let me know what all other videos you want me to make, and I will definitely make them for you. I will see you very very soon in my next video. Like I said, till then, take care. Loads and loads of love, you guys. Bye bye.